Hello everyone, my name is Zin and today I will show you how to use the current dates in Elementor and Divi. So right now I just usually use it for the footer credit as you can see on the screen. This website from Elementor and another website you can see I make it on the Divi. The idea is just so you guys know how to make it, and you can use the same technique with anything you can imagine and make it in the future. Let's do it with Divi first. So right now in the back end, if you use Divi, so you can go to Divi Team Builder because I create the footer by the Team Builder. So I go to the Team Builder, and as you can see, I create the header and the footer in the Team Builder. And right now I go to the footer to create the copyright. Okay. So in the footer here, I create a new section with a new row. In that row, I need text. Okay. As you can see in the text, you can see the little icon here. It means dynamic content. Click that one, finding the current date. As you can see, like it's showing the current date right now, and we want it to show only year, so we go to the custom and typing Y. That means it's showing current year right now, and we need the text for the before and after. For the before, I already prepared the text, so I just typing copyright with the little space. If you don't put the space, you can see that year is touched to the copyright icon, so you need to have a little space here. And the after, usually I put the company name right here, right after the years. So for this Divi website, I using the name Silver Okay. And alright, sorry. Everything is good. I think I need a little bit space. Right here. Okay, it's good. You have the space right here, and right now I need to custom the section a little bit to make it look better. Remove the space like that. I think the text should be center, and the color should be white like that, and in the center. I like it. After that, you need to click save. Click outside, save again, and you can see in the home base right now. We can check again. In the bottom we have the new copyright here with the text Silver Okay, the name of the website, and everything is look good. That's really easy for the Divi, right? So for the Elementor symbol, just go to template Team Builder if you use the Team Builder to create your footer, and in the Team Builder here I go to edit with Elementor. Yes, so for here I need the text editor, and right now we need to the same icon as Divi dynamic icon, and then we finding the current date time, right? And after that we need to custom date. So date format here we need to custom. Same with Divi, typing Y. And after that, before we need the copyright text. With the space. Yes. And after that we need to type in the company name. This one is Amadi dot and don't forget the space. It look better. Yes. And for the style I need it in the center, and I think it has to be Y. It look better. Less Y a little bit. Yes. Update. Okay. And easy to the dashboard. Right now we can check the website. So right now you can see we have the copyright year for this website. It's so easy to make it on Divi and Elementor.